Honorable Michael, how comes that the first vice president of the country is just arrested like that?
Yes, even the president sometimes is arrested, not the vice president.
It's a very strange news.
Is it the first time in the world for a first vice president to be arrested?
The international communities will intervene because they will be more concerned about this.
Why is the international community more concerned about his arrest at a time when it is not concerned about the lives that have been lost in Nasser?
Do you mean the international communities went mute and dumb during the incident that happened in Nasser and they had not said anything?
The international community has never condemned what happened in Nasser, but is now condemning the arrest of the first vice president because he has killed people in Nasser.
Honorable Michael, the international communities will be more concerned about the arrest of the first vice president because they may think he's not in a safe environment.
Why is the international community more concerned about the arrest of somebody whose life is still there at a time when he had taken away lives?
But Michael, are you worried about the international communities?
Who is an international community?
What are you more concerned about in this scenario?
So the international community, you are more concerned about the arrest of the vice president, are more concerned about the lives which have been taken by the first vice president.
But if I may ask, do you have the evidence that Riek himself has killed people in Nasser?
Don't you know what happened in Nasser? You don't know it?